If you want to win with stock trading, you must continue to lose.
What?
Want to win in stock trading but lose. What does this mean? Let me explain. With subscribe, you can learn the secrets that only Japanese winners know. You will be able to win in your country. You may have noticed that the English in this video is strange. That is deliberate. You can understand why by looking at these channels. If you listen to this English many times, decipher it like reading an ancient language, and understand it, you can win. Read between the lines. Cis, a prominent short-term trader in Japan, is known as a genius investor who increased money from only $20,000 to $230 million. He was a man who didn't reveal his face or name, but he talked about his day trading technique on an internet bulletin board. This method is not written in his few books. What is that method? Before that, let's talk about Phantom of the Pits that won fans on internet bulletin board outside Japan. He wrote 2 rules for trading. In other words, he rule is: Rule number 1. You lose. Rule number 2. Order to add. Number 1. Many people buy to win the trade. This should not be. You must buy this trade because you think it will probably fail. And if it fails, I told you. And sell, if you succeed, you will be surprised and keep holding things that are rare. With this idea you can become a minority. Being a minority in investment is important. No, not just investment. Minority is important in all matters. If you look at this channel, you can understand why. Number 2. You buy, and if it goes down, accept the failure and sell. N. You buy, and if it goes up, buy more. If it goes down, accept failure and sell. N. You buy, and if it goes up, buy more. After that, buy more when it goes up. Buy quantity is 3, 2 to 1. Rule number 1 was accepted by the public who participated in the bulletin board. But rule number 2 doesn't get consent. The public thinks that if you think buying is right, you should all in. You buy it when it goes up. You win at this point. But if go down, you lose. You buy it when it goes up. You buy it when it goes up. You win at this point. But if go down, you lose. This is also unacceptable to the masses. Let's end the story of Phantom of the Pits. Cis, a well-known investor who increased from $20,000 to $230 million in Japan, used day trading in a similar way. Coincidentally, very similar to pyramiding. However, the amount purchased is not 3, 2 to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. He named this technique rectangle, not pyramid. This method is unacceptable for more ordinary people. You buy it when it goes up. If you win at this point but lose a little, you lose. You buy it when it goes up. You buy it when it goes up. This is because if you win at this point but lose a little, you lose. However, it is wonderful that it is not accepted by the masses. The masses are always wrong. This method loses many times. Lose, lose, lose. Sometimes I taste the humiliation to buy higher than the price I sold and lose. Then, by winning the chance, we will settle the previous loss and turn positive. It's a big win. The best loser is the long-term winner. If you wanna win with trading, you must continue to lose. That's all for this time. At the touching stage, there are still more supplements. As subscribers and likes increase, we will add videos on how to succeed in your life. Thank you. If it doesn't increase, I may lose motivation. Sorry.
I haven't told you everything yet. Please use it at your own risk.